Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the social settings on your Soundcloud account easy and quickly. So first enter uh, enter this application, then click on your library. Next click here on the settings, and here we have the social settings. Click on it. So as you see here we have this show comments and reactions on the waveform. So that's it, this is up to you. So if you want to turn this on, the waveform comments and reactions are visible in the full screen player. So also if you want to change it to off, so whatever you like. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.